Okay, now approaching this morning is the Amtrak Silver Meteor, northbound at the Dead Man's Crossing. There's another rail fan a little over to the left here. Let's see if we can see him. He's over there somewhere. He likes to get it as it comes behind those trees that are just behind the no trespassing sign. All right, looks like it's ALC 42 Charger. Wind's right to get the horn that's a mile away. That bird in the background is a cardinal.